but do you like them now?
Yeah.
I wanted to have a different background, just like something different, so that's why I'm filming from my living room. My quarantine nails are so ugly right now. I had acrylics before the quarantine. I had to take them off myself and they just really damaged my nails, and now they look really bad. Even if I apply nail polish on my nails, they're not gonna look nice, and I like my nails to look nice and pretty. I always get them done, so I'm going crazy right now. I bought press-on nails from Target. I saw this brand at Target and I wanted to try them out because they have like some really cute designs, and these are nude and then they have like a cute design, and these are the only short ones that I could find. I don't really want long nails anymore since the last time I had my acrylics. They were really long and they're just really annoying, so I want to stick to short nails. And then I also saw these from Kiss. So these are the acrylic French nude. And then these even say on the box that the length is real short, which is what I was looking for. And these actually look really nice. So I'm gonna let my boyfriend pick which ones to apply because he's right here with me looking at me. So I'm gonna make him do something. Babe, which ones should I put?
You're right.
These? You want me to do these? I want these.
Yeah, that's me there.
I'll do these. So many people already know about Kiss Plush nails. I don't think a lot of people know about these. It says on the box that these have 24 reusable round nails. These actually have on the label right here that they're cruelty free. Here, there's like a little bunny. So that's really good. They give you 2 sets of instructions and an option for short wear or long wear, which is really good. So I'm gonna do the long wear just to see like how long these nails could last. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see me apply the nails. There's more nails right here. So it says to wash and dry hands, and then you can use, this is optional, rubbing alcohol on the nail beds to remove any excess oils. I didn't do that. I just used like a wipe, and then I just wiped my nails. The next step is says get rough. Using the provided nail file, gently file the surface of the nail beds to create a rough surface for the glue to adhere. Okay, so this is a little nail filer. It's cute. Gently file. He's doing better than I am, you guys. He's doing this one because this is my right hand and I suck doing stuff with my left hand. And then it says to lay out the nails that you're going to use and that fit your nail. They are numbered, so it did make it easier. So I made sure that they were the right size. So these are the ones that are gonna go on each hand. And what I'm gonna do is push my cuticle back, and I'm just gonna use the nail filer that came in the box. And I already did this on my other hand. So I'm just gently pushing back my cuticles. So you want to be really gentle. So step number 4 says to apply a drop of glue on your natural nail and a drop of glue to the underside of the clutch nail. So this is the glue that comes in the package. Start with my thumb first, and I'm going to apply glue. So that's how much I'm going to apply. And then I am going to apply on the nails. Drop of glue, and that's it. And then it says to press for 30 seconds. Oh, some of the glue came out. Put too much. All right, moving on to the next. I'm gonna finish the other hand off camera, and then I'll be right back and then show you guys the final results. Your fingers are too big.
Go ahead.
Of course, the left hand was a little harder to apply. Alfred even tried to help me, but then he messed this one up. So this one was a little bit crooked, so I had to file it down on one side to make it look straight. And then if you want them to be shorter, you can just keep filing them down, and then you can get them whatever size you want. I will probably file these down so they can be shorter, but overall I really like them. That glue really works because I tried to remove this nail to try to fix it and I couldn't remove the nails. So far the glue is really strong. I also applied lotion right here on my cuticles so that they don't look dry. This is how they look from far away. Obviously from far away they look really nice, but this is way better than what I had. So these are gonna be my new quarantine nails and I really like them. I love this color of nude. It goes with everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys found it a little bit helpful. I'm not like an expert on press-on nails or anything like that, but I just wanted to apply them here with you guys because we're all going through the same stuff during quarantine, and I know the struggles of not feeling pretty or not feeling good. The other day I just felt really ugly and I just did my makeup and I felt so much better. So just little things like doing your nails and putting on press-on nails or even nail polish or anything like that can really help you and make you feel better during this time. This is the type of stuff that just makes me feel good and it just puts me in a better mood. The lighting is going away, so that's another reason why I need to end this video. So I'm gonna have a drink. Alfred made me a daiquiri. Cheers, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. Stop. It's good. What do you think?
I did a good job.
You didn't do nothing. All you did was foul one hand and then messed up one nail. I had to fix it. Do you like my new nails more than what they were before? Because they were ugly before?
Is that a trick question?
No. How do they look? Do you like them?
Yeah.
He likes them. I can do this now. Who likes that noise? I see a lot of people get crawfish and it kind of makes me want to eat crawfish too.
It's